try to hold them down, but the meek shall wear the crown. Crown of the humble shines so bright, born in the struggle, walking in the light. No riches can buy what the Spirit holds. Hearts of fire worth more than gold. Crown of the humble never fall. Jah hear the weak when the mighty call. From the dust we rise, standing tall. Love shall conquer one and all. Mama worked till the evening come, still she danced to the rebel drum. Old man preached by the riverside, truth and justice shall never hide. Every tear want a freedom tree, every soul deserve dignity. Though the road rough like ancient stone, the righteous never walk alone. Crown of the humble shines so bright, born in the struggle, walking in the light. No riches can buy what the Spirit holds. Hearts of fire worth more than gold. Crown of the humble never fall. Jah hear the weak when the mighty call. From the dust we rise, a black one's heart. Love shall conquer one and all. One day the trumpet gonna sound, justice echo all around. Kings without mercy lose them throne, but the humble claim their own. From Trenchtown to the mountain high, freedom song will never die. Hands together, black and white, marching onward toward the light. No fear living in the soul, unity will make us whole. Children sing beneath the sun, a better day shall surely come. Crown of the humble, Jah